because the skipper's going to bowl. MS Dhoni is going to bowl.
Bowled, though, Smithy. So it's not completely foreign to him. Here we go. There he goes for 2 down to third man. And that is symbolic. And the reason why is that BJ Watling and Brendan McCullum have just, and any time you can beat this, beaten Bradman.
It doesn't happen often, does it?
It's worth plenty. That is something special. Unbelievably so. It's when Bradman said to his top order players in the middle order and the bowlers, you guys go out and I'll come in lower in the order. Australia were 2-0 down in the series, and after that performance went on to beat England 3-2. So Bradman, who was batting with Fingleton, and Virat Kohli has got the keeping gloves on. So he's bowled and kept. He bowled just before tea. Now he's wicket keeping, and Dhoni kept before tea, and now he's bowling.
And that brings up the
350. It's just been a tremendous effort from these two.
Now they've equalled. They have equalled. Well, they should. They should indeed. Look proudly back out on the basin. 445 for 5.
Yeah, so one more run for the